Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up WordPress updated. Start by choosing a reliable host, registering a domain, and installing WordPress via one-click or manual upload. Use a lightweight theme, install essential plugins for security and SEO, and create core pages like Home, About, and Contact. Configure permalinks, backups, and caching to improve speed and safety. Test on desktop and mobile today. When choosing a theme, think about speed and flexibility more than flashy features. Install the theme, then set up a child theme to protect custom tweaks during updates. Adjust typography, brand colors, and header layout while checking mobile views and load times. Use a page builder sparingly and prefer native blocks for lighter pages. Keep design consistent across posts and pages for professional look and better engagement. Plugins extend WordPress, but choose carefully to avoid bloat. Start with a security plugin, a reliable backup solution, and a caching plugin to boost performance. Add an SEO plugin to handle metadata, XML sitemaps, and basic schema markup. Test each plugin impact on speed using simple tools and remove any that slow your site or conflict. Regularly update all plugins and themes to minimize vulnerabilities and keep everything running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.